Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the 50 megapixel camera with OIS on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and open up the camera app. Once we open up the camera app, what are we gonna do is we're gonna simply select the photo mode if you're not already in this. For example, if you're in the video mode, you want to swap it out to photo. And here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and press those three dots. And here we have the high pixel. Now let's go over and enable high pixel, and we should see the confirmation right at the top of our screen. So as you guys can see, now it's gone, but our settings are still here. So basically the OIS is the optical image stabilization, and it is in a 15 megapixel main camera. So what are we gonna do now is I'm gonna take this phone, I'm gonna take a picture of this flower right here, and it should look amazing. So as you guys can see, whenever we make a photo, we have shoot and keep your device steady. So now let's go over and open up the photos. Let's see how it went. So this is our picture. I feel like it looks really good and very detailed. And that's how you guys can use the 50 megapixel camera. So as you guys can see, we have the photo, and here we have the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. Also, we get the 50.3 megapixels. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.